Plant FAQs. Begonia Waterfall. Begonia Waterfall, cascading beauty for your home. Hi, Ferbvu here. As a passionate gardener, I constantly seek stunning plants to add vibrancy and life to any space. The Begonia Waterfall series has become a favorite for its overflowing charm and ease of care. Let's delve into this captivating plant and answer some frequently asked questions. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. What is a Begonia waterfall? The Begonia waterfall is not a single variety, but a series of trailing, evergreen begonias known for their cascading growth habit. Envision a waterfall of blooms, single or double flowers, tumbling down gracefully from hanging baskets, containers, or even the ground. This profusion of color typically unfolds throughout the summer, making it a true showstopper. What are the different types of Begonia waterfall? The series boasts a delightful selection of colors to suit your taste. Here are some popular choices. Begonia Boviglia Lemon, sunshine personified with bright yellow blooms. Begonia Boviglia Red, a fiery cascade of red blossoms. Begonia Boviglia Salmon, soft and captivating with salmon pink flowers. Begonia Boviglia White, pure elegance with cascading white blooms. Begonia Waterfall Angel Soft Pink, a touch of romance with gentle pink flowers. How do I care for my Begonia waterfall? The Begonia waterfall is a relatively low-maintenance plant, making it ideal for busy gardeners. Here are some key care tips. Light. Prefers bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid harsh afternoon sun, which can scorch the leaves. Water. Consistent moisture is vital, but avoid waterlogging. Allow the top inch of soil to dry slightly between waterings. Soil. Well-draining potting mix is essential. Consider a blend containing loam, perlite, and peat moss. Fertilizer. Apply a balanced liquid fertilizer every 2 weeks during the growing season, spring and summer. Temperature. Thrives in moderate temperatures between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. Protect from frost. Does Begonia waterfall need pruning? While not strictly necessary, occasional pruning can encourage bushier growth and promote more blooms. Pinch back leggy stems or remove spent flowers to maintain a neat and vibrant appearance. How big does a Begonia waterfall get? These begonias are generally compact, reaching a mature height and spread of 0.1 to 0.5 meters, 4 to 20 inches. Their trailing nature makes them perfect for hanging baskets or containers where they can cascade gracefully. Can I grow Begonia waterfall indoors? Absolutely. They thrive indoors with bright, indirect sunlight and consistent moisture. A sunroom or a window with sheer curtains provides the perfect environment. Just ensure good air circulation to prevent fungal diseases. What are some common problems with Begonia waterfall? Powdery mildew. This white fungal growth appears on leaves due to excess moisture or poor air circulation. Improve air circulation and use a fungicide if necessary. Mealybugs. These cottony white insects suck plant sap. Treat them with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Leaf drop. This can be caused by underwatering, overwatering, or lack of light. Adjust your watering schedule and provide adequate light. Begonia waterfall versus Million Kisses begonia. Both are stunning trailing begonias with cascading flowers. Here's a quick comparison. Feature Begonia waterfall Million Kisses begonia flower type single or double, primarily single flower, color varied, primarily pink leaf, size medium, smaller growth, habit more vigorous, moderate. Conclusion. The Begonia waterfall series offers a captivating combination of cascading beauty, vibrant colors, and relative ease of care. With its suitability for both indoors and outdoors, this plant is sure to add a touch of elegance and cheer to your surroundings. So, why not bring a Begonia waterfall into your life and experience its cascading charm?